When filtering Roblox games, you primarily rely on parental controls to ensure age-appropriate content, as well as using specific tools and features to find the games you want to play. For players, finding games, search bar. You can use the search bar to type in keywords like horror, obby, or adventure to find games that match your interests. However, keep in mind that the search results are often based on game names rather than genres, so it might not always give you the best results for your specific search. Genre buttons. Limited on mobile, there are basic genre buttons available, which show games endorsed by Roblox. However, these are limited and might not always be the most comprehensive way to explore different genres. Third-party tools. For better game discovery, you can use third-party tools like Better Discovery or Obscure Game Finder. These platforms allow you to sort games by rating, visits, or genre, making it easier to find high-quality games that fit your preferences. Creator inventory. If you have a specific creator in mind, you can look for games they've made by checking their profile or group's experiences section, provided it's set to public. This helps you discover all the games they've created or are part of. Parental controls to make sure the content is suitable for younger players. You can use Roblox's parental controls. These let you adjust maturity sliders, block specific games, and monitor what your child can access on the platform. While Roblox's filters are improving, third-party tools can still help refine the search for better genre or quality sorting.so. While Roblox has some built-in features, using a combination of parental controls, third-party tools, and the search bar can make it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for.